Alright, so this is what the inside of a condensate pump looks like for an air conditioner. And if you look right here, you have a little arm it's afloat as well, and see it's moving so that when the water in there rises, pushes that up, turning on this switch right here. And this one here, something is stopping this switch here from working. It only works if you tip it. So we're going to open this up and take a look-see down inside there, and you see the pump is full of it, and all this, let me see if I can get that turned so it sits. So you see down in there, that is dust. And when this thing gets full of that, I'm going to see if I can get a look at that switch in there. See that? Inside there, it keeps that switch from operating correctly. And it doesn't allow the pump to kick on. And then you get this, a pan full of water and a wet floor. So we're going to see if we can't clean this out and get the ducts to move out of this pan.